Hi, welcome to Make It with Mod Podge. My name's Cathie and today I've got a really cute idea on how you can make some personalized ornaments using Mod Podge. Now I'm using satin, but you could use gloss or matte if that's what you have. Now this technique is simple. I'm going to show you how you take the picture and how you can translate it and cut it out of black paper. Now I'm going for a modern look here with these bold pops of color, but if you wanted to do something more vintage or rustic looking, you could first decoupage down a piece of paper, maybe like some map pages, old book pages, music note pages, and then put your silhouette on top of there. All right, let's get started with this cute craft.
I'm starting with these wood blank ornaments, and first I'm going to paint them with some full coat multi-surface paint. I'm losing that hanger because I'm going to replace it with something creamier. Just go ahead and paint the front of the ornament, the sides and the back. Now for this, I did do 3 coats of the paint. I did 2 heavy coats, and then I did 1 light touch-up paint. Now once that's done, you're going to go ahead and paint the top of it gold. You could paint it silver, black, whatever you want. I just love that gold look. And look at all those gorgeous colors. To create the silhouette shape, you're gonna take a profile photo on a cell phone, then you're gonna size the picture down and print it out. You don't need to worry about making it dark. We're gonna use some black construction paper, black scrapbook paper, and very sharp scissors. First, I'm gonna tape my image using some blue painter's tape to the black paper, and then we're going to cut around it. So you can see I'm just using that photo as a pattern. So just go around those lines, and then once it's done, peel off the tape and the paper, and now you've got your little piece. I'm using Mod Podge satin here. I'm applying it to the back of my little cutout silhouette. I'm placing it right onto the ornament, and I'm pressing it down, and then I'm adding more Mod Podge to the top. Make sure you smooth out all of your brush strokes. Look at how cute these turn out. Now I'm cutting a 15-inch piece of ribbon, folding it in half, tying a knot on the end. Gonna trim up those ends to make it look pretty. Then we're gonna slip it through the back side. Then we're gonna loop those ends through, and now you have a gorgeous hanger for your new silhouette ornament. These just turn out so sweet.
Thanks so much for joining me today. I hope this has inspired you to create some personalized ornaments. Whether you're using a family member or a pet, you can even do this technique with any kind of existing photo like I did here on this purple one. All right, I'll be back here next week with another fun project to share with you. But until then, have a super crafty week and happy holidays. Bye.